So Bimmer Invasion's happening tomorrow. So Brekkie Car Club's actually hosting a pre-Bimmer Invasion meet. We're out here over at Ghostworx in Santa Ana. A lot of heavy hitters pulled up. Damn. Yeah, this is my car. You guys already know that. I actually see a bunch of these cars over where I live, like, all the time. I see this guy, like, in my neighborhood. Damn! This is loud. I think this is BeemerFam. BeemerFam pulled up. Damn, look at the wing. That's a huge ass wing. That's crazy. Sick M2s.
I got some bad respect though.
Another there. That shit's dope.
Yeah, so.
Shit. Damn. Yeah, look at that. Look at that wing. That is crazy. Yo.
I personally don't like the color.
Damn. Honestly, this is gonna be a pretty quick video. But damn, dude, U92 looks nice. Damn. Damn, look at this M8 Accelerate. Oh, dude, this matte black G87. It's dope. Damn. That's all. This looks nice. Yeah. Bosonology? Yup, that's his car. It's crazy.
Oh, I forgot.
CS.
Yeah, you don't even have your car right now. It's in the shop.
Check out the fitment on the CS. Ooh. Damn.
So much carbon.
Nice little E36. Check this out. Oh my god. Do you guys see that turbo?
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Oh my god.
Look how wide that angle is.
This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. Oh my god. Dude. This is crazy. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. There's some like other cars parked on the sides, but it's like super dark. Can't really see anything. I think we're gonna head out. It's getting a little loud too. But yeah, I'm sure there might be some stuff pulling up later. But as of right now, I think we're calling it. Thank y'all for watching. I know this was a super short video, but just want to show you a little bit what you're gonna see at Bimmer Invasion tomorrow. Yeah, catch you in the next one.